Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a VW Golf headlight. First, gather your tools. You'll need a T20 Torx screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver. Before you begin, make sure your vehicle's ignition is completely off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Now, locate the two main retaining screws positioned on the top of the headlight unit. These are usually visible when you open the hood. Next, carefully disconnect the electrical connector at the rear of the headlight assembly. It often has a small tab to press. With the connector free, use your T20 Torx screwdriver to remove the two retaining screws you identified earlier. Then, gently pry open a small access panel, usually near the side of the headlight, using your flathead screwdriver. This reveals another hidden fastener. Now, with the access panel open, unscrew the third hidden fastener. This is crucial for releasing the headlight completely. Once all fasteners are removed, you can carefully pull the entire headlight unit forward and out of its housing. Take your time and be gentle to avoid scratching paint or damaging components. As you remove it, inspect the wiring and housing for any signs of damage. To reinstall, simply reverse the steps. Align the headlight unit carefully and slide it back into its designated slot, ensuring it sits flush. Secure all three retaining screws, making sure they are snug but not over-tightened. Don't forget to reconnect the electrical connector firmly to ensure proper function. Finally, test your lights to confirm everything is working correctly. For more great deals, including the Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.